In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your starting place in Roblox. Now, this is publishing your experience, the different games that you might have made, so that you can play it with friends. So make sure you're on your experience, and then click on the three dots on the top right, and click on Edit in Studio. And then once you've pulled up the studio, go ahead, click File, and then click Publish to Roblox. This will make sure that it is publishing your starting place. And then if there are other experiences that you want to make sure you launch, you can go ahead and click on View in this top menu. And then this button right here in this top left is called Asset Manager. Go ahead, click on that. And then down here, you can see there's different places. So these are the different places that you might want to be launching. So you go ahead and click on whatever place that you want to make sure you're publishing the starting place for. So once you have that selected, if there's multiple here, you go and make sure you go to File and then Publish to Roblox. So that is how you can publish your starting place on Roblox.